Oh, what are these?
Hawks, red arrows, same as red arrows. That's all you do.
The Hawk T2 is one of the most advanced fast jet training aircraft in the world. And despite sharing a name, it's almost an entirely new aircraft in comparison to the Hawk T1 you saw earlier today being flown by the Red Arrows. It's important to note that like any military aircraft, the two aircraft you see here today are only one part of the story. The Royal Air Force exists to protect the nation and its interests. It projects military influence from the air at speed and range, and if necessary offers proportionate and precise military force at relatively low cost and risk. This is a core fast jet skill which is practiced throughout flying training, and it's an important part in operating any frontline combat aircraft. It's essential for air-to-air refueling and flying in port. I'll show you the landing configuration of the Hawk T2, only a few feet apart. And two being engaged by simulated surface-to-air missile. The aircraft will be giving Ben and Toby all the warnings they need to avoid the threat.
Ninja, outwards, break, go!
Learn whilst flying the Hawk T2. To do this, Ben as Ninja 1, who's now on your left, becomes a hostile aircraft. Following a close-in head-to-head pass, Toby as Ninja 2 will be manoeuvring his aircraft to its absolute limit in order to be in a position to get a missile lock on Ben and ultimately fire a simulated heat-seeking air-to-air missile. Air-to-air capabilities as if it were real.
Missed it.
When Toby hot on his tyre, you can see Ben flying as hard as possible to avoid what in this case would be a damaged but for us trainees could all too soon mean a damaged aircraft or worse.
Alarms are going on.
The enemy surface-to-air missiles and surviving the air threat, we now see Ninja getting back together for a final attack on today's simulated enemy here in Southport. You'll see Toby popping up for a diving guns attack, whilst Ben flies low and fast in a simulated... And Ninja showing the power of the Hawk T2 as they go to a vertical departure when it climbs around 8,000 feet before heading